welcome back to the Good Vibes Gemini YouTube channel. This is my garden. Don't laugh at my yard. I have to cut it, but it's been raining a lot here in Texas, and oh boy. I'm really not in a rush to cut the backyard, but I usually cut it every week. I'm still gonna do that. Anyway, don't mean to ramble. This is my little garden. It's coming along. And today I will be harvesting some black-eyed peas. I got squash, corn, black-eyed peas, okra, cucumber. I'll give you a shot of this okra flower. Isn't that pretty? Look. That is what okra looks like before it looks like this. You can learn so much about nature if you just have a small little garden. But here's a few, because I don't have anything else to hold the camera. I have to hold it with my left hand, so forgive me if it looks a little shaky. But yeah, these are black-eyed peas, and I actually got the seeds from my neighbor. He's a master gardener, and he shared some of his seeds with me. So I'm harvesting those that are ready. All of them aren't ready, but most of them are. If you don't already have a garden, start small. You know, you don't have to plant a whole bunch of stuff. Just start small with stuff that you like to eat. And trust me, when you step out, pick it, you know it's yours. You know what you put in the soil to help it grow. You know what nature did as well. You know, clean your freshly picked veggies and cook them down and enjoy your hard work, because this is not easy, contrary to what people may think. It takes a lot of meticulous work, mind work, body work, and everything to successfully have a garden. Let's see what else I can show you guys over here. I have a tomato plant named Penny. I named her Penny because she's, I don't know. She's a penny. She just looks like a penny to me. I'll show you a little bit of zucchini here. That's growing, coming along. And let's make our way around here. It's a penny. I actually just harvested 5 tomatoes from her. She is growing more though. There's one right there. She's awesome. She's a hothouse tomato plant. I'll grab a few more of these. These that are ready. You know, after gardening so long, you start noticing how the plants talk. They'll tell you when they're ready. And the more you pick, the more they grow. If anybody's wondering about my gloves, it's okay. Gonna clean them today, but there's no poison on them. Got some more tomatoes. Right here, you can see them. Gardening is a gift that keeps on giving. Ooh, these mosquitoes out here tearing me up. Better go a little faster. Those need a little more time. These are ready. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I can't wait to take them out of here and cook them down with some good old Southern cornbread. That's right. I said it. I'm from the South. Heck yeah, I eat cornbread. You sure right. And I make my cornbread extra special. Okay, that needs more time. Okra is best when you harvest it when it's like this. I'm gonna have to get my scissors out. Okay, guys, Here's another shot of some okra. And here, actually some corn that I'm growing. Some more peas. Anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and harvest the rest of these. I just wanted to share some of this with you. Hopefully somebody out there gets inspired. All right, see you next time. And I wanted to go ahead and show you guys my other plants that I have. This right here is an heirloom tomato plant. It's gonna grow green, purple, black, orange, like all kinds of color tomatoes. And you see, he's already producing. And these are African marigolds, which I'm going to transplant to the garden. This is a snake plant, and she's actually giving birth to 3 buds. 1, 2, 3. And I'm happy about that. The aloe vera plant is coming along. You see another leaf is coming out right there. And then over here is another snake plant. I'm kind of doing an experiment and merging it with the ivy. Let's see if I can make like an ivy snake plant. I don't know. And this is mint leaves. When it rains, these smell so good. I mean, I just come out here sometimes and just touch them and just put it to my nose. It just smells so wonderful. The smell rises as the rain comes down. This here is my green frost plant. It's trying to produce more. I need to move it to a bigger pot though. Y'all can't see too much of that though. I gotta trim the leaves. Don't be laughing out there. Any gardeners out there who are watching this, y'all know how it is. You got to do a little bit at a time, but you know, every little bit counts. Anyways, I just wanted to share that with you guys so you can see the plants that I have, aside from the back garden. Oh, I love fresh tomatoes. Aren't these little guys cute? Hello. 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 All right, you guys, later. I send love and light to all those who send it to me. I send it right back to you, ×3. You've been hanging with the Good Vibes Gemini. I'll see you next time.